Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Yes Oh Yes subscription box. So Yes Oh Yes, it's $14.99 a month, and you get anywhere from 3 to 7 full-size products, and your box is always guaranteed to be over at least $65. I am an ambassador for the Yes Oh Yes, so if you would like to get 10% off, you can use my code HUNNI, HUNNI, for that. But let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first thing, which I was really excited about getting, was the Mellow Treasure Chest Palette. Now this retails for $27.99, and let me get it out so we can see. One of the things I really like about it is the packaging on it is like all sparkly and diamond shaped there, or diamond colors. But you open it up and the palette itself is a really nice kind of neutral tone colors. You have a couple of satins, a couple of mattes, so it's really pretty. Looks like they have some really good transition colors here on the end. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start off with that, and we're gonna see how well that this product works out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start out with the color Pearl, which is this one here, and I'm gonna start that in the crease to build up the transition shades. I'll go ahead and zoom you in. There we go, get all nice and personal there. Alright, and then the next color we're going to go into is this one here called Tiger's Eye. It's just a little bit of deeper shade. Again, we're just building up the crease. Alright, and then the next color we're going to go into is Onyx, which is this one here. It's just a deeper brown. I'm going to use a smaller bit of a blending brush for that one, because we're going to go a little bit lower in the crease. We're going to go back with that original color Pearl, and we're just going to blend out the edges there and make sure everything blends well. Alright, and what we're going to do is for the inner brow bone, we're going to be using this color here called Crystal. It looks like it's going to be a really good highlight color. Oh yeah, that looks good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go in with this color right here called Topaz, which is a really nice kind of golden color. I'm going to put that all over the lid. Let's see, we're going to try that. I mean, it's coming off, but I want to see if it works better with my finger. Oh yeah. There we go. Now we're really getting that color payoff there. And we're going to go back in with Onyx, the dark brown, just to blend out that outer corner. Then we're going to go on the underneath with Pearl first, and then with Tiger's Eye. Then we're going to do on a smaller pencil brush here. I'm going to use that dark brown onyx, and we're just going to get really close to the lash line. And just blend everything. Kind of blow that out a little bit. And I think what else we're going to do is I want to put a little bit of this darker color here, which is Garnet. It's a very pretty kind of burgundy color. We're going to put that on the outer part of the lid. With these kind of satin shimmers, they are pressed a little hard, so to get a good color payoff, I would recommend using your fingertip to apply it, or your wet brush will work as well. I'm just going to blend those together. Alright, so that is the look that I've got there with the Treasure Chest from Mellow, which I've never heard of that brand before, but so far, I mean, as you can see, the color payoff does work out. It is good. Go ahead and zoom back out. So we're going to go on to the next item in the box, and that is the Doucce Punk Volumizer Mascara. This retails for $26.99, and I believe that I have gotten this mascara before in like one of my other boxes. I'm not quite sure. I no longer have it. I think I might have given it away because I had so many mascaras at the time. But we will go ahead and we will see how this looks. Now that is got a very large, real bristle kind of thing going on, so it looks promising. Okay, so as I figured, there was a reason why I didn't keep the mascara. I mean, it does okay, as you can see. It's not anything amazing though. It doesn't really lengthen them at all. Nothing like my Bad Girl Bang mascara does. So it's just an okay mascara. So I'll probably end up just giving this to my niece. She's always up for some new mascara. Let's see here. The next thing that we got in the bag is a Crown Blush brush. Pro Blush brush. Ooh. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And this retails for $22.99. It's very soft. I actually really like the Crown brushes. I have a couple of them already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this new blush that I had gotten from Overal. This is the Country Road. I had redeemed some points from my Ipsy for this, and it's just a pan. It's a nice kind of burnt orange color there. Ooh, and it is pigmented. This seems like a very dense brush for being blush, but it works okay, so it's not bad. I might end up using it for something else like contour, because it seems like it would be good for that. But we'll try it a couple more times with it being a blush brush first. And then the last thing that we got in the bag, this is from Chella. It's an ivory lace highlighter. It is for the brow bones, I believe. Yeah, eyebrow highlighter pencil. I believe I've actually gotten one of these before in one of my other bags as well. I don't know if it's the same color or not. We're gonna see. I'll get it open here. Alright, and so that's what it looks like, and it's really just kind of meant for putting like right under the brow bone. It's almost like a way to really sharpen up that look, which I've already put some highlighting there. I didn't realize that this was in the bag. I forgot, but that's okay. We can still kind of use it. And that's just to sharpen up that brow a little more. There. Instead of using concealer, you just have this pencil instead. She does seem to work pretty good. I do like that. Alright, so that is everything that's in this month's box for Yes Oh Yes. So the overall retail value for this box was $97.96, which is a really good deal considering you're only paying about 15 bucks for the box. So I thank you for watching. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you will be reminded the next time I upload. Again, thanks for watching, and you have a great day.